Hello students, very good morning to you. Let us continue the lesson. Saudi Arabia, the land of hot sands. Okay, yes, up to where we stopped in our previous class means we discussed about land, climatic condition and also vegetation and agriculture. So next topic is the people, means those who are living in Saudi Arabia. So this is one of the very rich country. Saudi Arabia is one of the rich country and also this is one of the Islamic country. Okay, that is main religion is Islam there. Okay, yes, so this is first only I told that is one of the rich country. Why this is one of the rich country? That is one of the question. Okay, because petroleum deposit is more in the country of Saudi Arabia. Petroleum deposit means availability of the petroleum is more in that country. So they are getting that petroleum or refining that petroleum and exporting to other many countries. Okay, so they are getting more income from the petroleum products. So it is one of the very rich country. Understood? Many, not only that Islamic religion people, many Indians also living in the area in the country of Saudi Arabia. So in the country of that Saudi Arabia, there are many developed cities are there, like that Riyadh, Jeddah. These all are the famous cities located in the country. Understood? And also that is richest country, they are getting more income by that exporting petroleum products. So standard of living of the people, those who are living there, that is also high in the country. Understood? Standard of living means nothing, they are having an sufficient facilities, developed facilities, modern facilities in the area, in the city side. Okay, yes. Next, about the dressing style of the people, about that men's and also the dressing style of women. Understood? Dressing style of that woman means they are having a restricted life in Saudi Arabia. Women are having a restricted life at Saudi Arabia. They are not allowed to drive vehicles also. Okay, they are not allowed to drive vehicles also. In our country, we are free to do anything. Is that right? But in Saudi Arabia, women are restricted to drive a vehicles, drive a car like that. So what is the dressing style of that women's means? They are wearing and that black cloth to cover their body. Only they are leaving their eyes. Okay, they are only leaving their eyes. Other all part of the body they are covering with a black cloth, that is called as abhaya. Okay, that is one of the dressing style of women. And what about that men's dressing style means? They are wearing a loose fitting white robes, that is also called as thob. Okay, this is dressing style. And also they are using that white cloths to cover their head, and also above that white cloth they are wearing a ring. Okay, and that is one of the dressing style of men's in the Saudi Arabia. And another one, peoples are living there, they are nomads. Nomads means you already knew about that. Nomads means moving people, they are moving from place to place, they are not settling down at a permanent place or a one place, they are calling as a nomads. So in Saudi Arabia also they are living. Okay, nomads, in that place nomads are calling as a Bedouins. Bedouins means moving people in the Saudi Arabia. So they are not living in a well-developed cities or a villages. Previously, nowadays they are living in a villages. Previously, they are moving from place to place, and also cattle rearing is one of the main occupation of the people. Cattle rearing. Okay. In those who are living in city area, they are doing in many different jobs and getting a much amount to live. Got it? Much amount to life leading. But these peoples are not getting much money. Cattle rearing is one of the main occupation, moving from place to place, and they are living in a tent also. Why they are using tent to live means These tent, what are the materials using to make that tent? No, they can carry with them very easily. So they are living in a tent also. To make a tent, they are using that animal skin to build that to made that tent. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಟೆಂಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಟೆಂಟನ್ನು ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಟೆಂಟ್ನ ಮೇಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? And what I told, cattle rearing is main occupation of that Bedouins, means cattle's like that sheep, flock of goats, camel, these type of animals they are rearing. Okay. By sell that animal products and also meat of that animal, they are earning money to live. But nowadays they are settling down at a particular place, means in the villages of Saudi Arabia. They are also having a permanent settlement now. Okay, permanent settlements nothing, permanent houses, they are living at a permanent houses. Okay, this is about the people, those who are living at Saudi Arabia. Next topic is about the industries. Yes, what are the industries we can see in Saudi Arabia? Means, as I told previously, petroleum deposits is more in that country. So petroleum refineries are one of the very main industries in Saudi Arabia. Petroleum refineries means nothing. How that oil refineries, petroleum, that is one of the raw product. Okay. Petroleum is raw product, we can't use that directly, raw petroleum. By refining that petroleum, we can get that petrol, diesel, kerosene, these all things. Understood? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲಿಯಂ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಅದೊಂದು ರಾ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಅದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆ ಒಂದು ರಾ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ನ ರಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್, ಡೀಸೆಲ್, ಕೆರೋಸಿನ್, ಈ ಥರ ಸಮ್ ಕಾಸ್ಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲಿಯಂ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಸೊ that petroleum refineries are one of the famous industries that they are manufacturing that and also exporting to other countries, not only other cities. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಟ್ರಿಲಿರೋ ಸಿಟಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಅದರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? With that petroleum refineries, they are having an iron and steel industries, cement and fertilizers industry. These all also one of the main industries at that Saudi Arabia. Next, about religious importance. What are that religious importance of the country of that Saudi Arabia? Means, first only I told you, this is one of the Islamic country. Islam is one of the main religion of that country. Okay, so in that what a very famous religious center of that Muslims or Islamic people, means that is Mecca and Medina. Got it? These all are the one of the very really famous, very important religious center of the people. Mecca and Medina, they are located at Saudi Arabia. In every year, millions of people are visiting to the country. Millions of people are visiting to the country. So this Saudi Arabia is one of the very good examples for by using that hot and sand covered land, means also one of the very developed country. This is one of the very good example, means they are using that resources very perfectly and also very intelligently. Understood? Means that is one of a barren land. Okay, means sand land, sand covered hot land. In our country also we are seeing that desert area, but that is not an developed areas. Why? Means there is no rich deposits or rich resources, that is only covered with the sand and these all type of landforms. But Saudi Arabia is different. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಲೂ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ರೀಜಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಆ ಒಂದು ಏರಿಯಾಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಡೆವಲಪ್ಡ್ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. Why that Saudi Arabia is different? Means because of that more rich deposit of the ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲಿಯಂ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅದೊಂದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಆ ಒಂದು ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲಿಯಂ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲಿಯಂ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ಸೇ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಯುಟಿಲೈಸಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ಲಿ. ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪರಸ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ರಿಚೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. Okay, yes, this is about the information about Saudi Arabia. Totally this lesson is completed today. Through the WhatsApp I will give notes of this lesson. Learn that previous all lessons question and answer properly. Don't neglect that. Okay, at least per day try to learn 2 question and answers. Okay, read this lesson also. Don't neglect, don't miss this lesson reading also, so important. Okay, thank you.